And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you how to write comments. So you can write comments inside of your code, and your comments are then not going to be displayed in the browser. So if I edit, let's say right here, in between our H3 and the paragraph, it's going to look like this. Let me write this as a comment in between. It should be right here, but nothing is visible as you can see. So comments are never displayed in the browser window. And you cannot just use it to write comments, but you can also comment out your code. Let me, for example, write it right here. And I only want to get rid of this word, so comment. And if I place it in between these comment indicators, you can see it's now missing in the browser display. Same goes for tags. So if I edit right here, where our unordered list starts, and I close the comment after the unordered list, the entire list is going to vanish. Let me just add it in front of our first item, and I close it in the same line. I save it, reload it, and you can see only item 2 and 3 are still visible. Item 1 was commented out. If I put the closing indicator right here, after item 2, we will only see item 3. Let me save it, Ctrl S, reload, and here it is. So you can write comments over multiple lines or just one line, and everything in between is not going to be visible in your browser window. And this is how you can create comments in HTML. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.